In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design and style your email in Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Then in the left menu, press the Create button. And here, look for Regular Email and click on the Design Email button under it. Here, you can actually proceed by using Mailchimp templates. And if you want pre-made templates, you can head over and press the Get Started button. Or if you want to build it from scratch, you can opt for Skip for now. So here another window will appear asking you how you would like to design your email so you can build it from scratch from a basic layout or a fully designed template. You can also opt for HTML to code it in your own. And here in the email editor page, you can use the drag and drop editor to add elements like text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. Simply drag a block to your layout and click to edit the content. Customize your design by changing fonts, colors, spacing, and background styles. You can also add your own logo and brand colors to keep your emails consistent. And before sending, click on the preview button to see how your email looks on desktop and mobile. You can also send a test email to yourself, so press the send test at the top right so that you can double check everything. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!